Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I guess you guys are doing great. I'm also doing great, and I was stuck with lots of office work, obviously, and personal stuffs. So today we'll be riding to a place named KPR Dam, which is near Hosur. I hope we'll cover it in time. As per Google Maps, it is around 108 kilometers from my house. In Google Maps, it's showing around 3 hours to reach there. Maybe we'll reach before that. And now the time is currently around 11 a.m. So I'll be leaving now. I've currently taken my top box, and that's it. I'll just get up now and then catch you guys on the bike.
Hey guys, we are on the road now. The time is currently 11:30 a.m. and from here, I guess, as I said, it is around 108 kilometers. But it will be full of traffic as I have to cross Electronic City. So that's why it's showing 3 hours actually. So let's fuel up tequila as usual. She's a bit hungry. Already like half tank is there. But maybe let's fill out completely. It's going on. It's currently fucked up traffic. It is too much of traffic. I don't know when will it get over. Why is it like this always? And it's the peak time, I believe so. The time is already 11:49 a.m. and I don't know how much time more will it take. Okay, before this route was there, but now they have kept a traffic candle and they have blocked. See these metal pillars, they have kept it and blocked it. Now only bikes are allowed in this route. Finally we have reached the silk board signal, and then I took a left from here. Yeah, we'll be joining the here only is walking in the middle of the road. I don't know what was he thinking. The traffic is in the higher side. Obviously it's Wednesday and everyone goes to the office on Wednesday, right? Even hybrid people. So Wednesdays the traffic is more in Bangalore currently. I forgot about that. Maybe I could be riding tomorrow without traffic, but that's fine. Like, it's just about the feeling, right? I was feeling to ride from yesterday. From 2-3 days I was feeling to go somewhere. So yeah, obviously people who loves riding, they should have experienced. Okay, I missed it. I had to go that side. No, I don't know whether I'll get a gap to go that side. Okay, maybe now is the right time. Okay, good that we got a gap in the middle. Whoa, see this bike, it's a good one. I guess it is a test ride vehicle, but it's really good. I don't know what bike is that. Maybe it's an ultraviolet or what is that? I'm not able to spell it properly. Yeah, it's an ultraviolet. Cool. So now currently we are in this Electronic City toll, obviously. In Bangalore, nice road, and over here we need to pay for bikes too. So let's see how much it is. I'm not sure how much it is. Okay, 2-way is to 2-way. One more signal, and it is 35 bucks for 2-way actually. The time is currently 2 o'clock. I left home around 11:15 a.m. and now it's 2 o'clock. It took too much of time to reach Silk Boat signal. Those who are in Bangalore, they might know the traffic is very hectic over there near Silk Boat signal. Wow, very good. No one is wearing helmet over here. I guess there's no cops only, or they are not so strict. I should be very careful while riding through villages, because anytime anyone can come across, or any kids can come across, because as it's a village, they'll be playing outside our houses and they might come across your vehicle. So you should be very, very careful. And I'll give a tip for all my rider friends: please never wear loose inner garments and ride bike. Okay, it's here, left over here. KRP Park. Okay, there is a park too. First we'll go to the dam. I thought there will be no one over here as it's Wednesday, but I could see many people. It's crowded up. I'm not sure if entry is there or not. I don't know whether we can go or not. Entry ticket. Google Pay? No Google Pay. Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, I've finally come inside the KRP Dam. So right ahead of me there is a dam and we need to climb top. But before that there is this place where they have kept many deers. So I'm not sure if you're able to see. So I guess you'll be able to see. There are many deers over here. I'm not sure if you're able to see. Maybe we'll go close by to it. I came over here alone, and as soon as I came, when I was searching the parking, I saw few people, like vloggers, obviously bikers. So they are also with me. I'll obviously introduce them and their channel name. So yeah, with the deers, there I can also see peacocks and many other birds over here, and there is a lake too. So that is the lake over there, and you could see few peacocks too. And over here you may be able to see deers. Yeah, so they are just having their lunch right now. So yeah, I didn't know about these things, that there are deers over here, but as soon as I saw him, like he was explaining me everything, and there is one more hill too nearby, which I haven't seen or haven't taken any note of it. It's called Bolumalai, but I'm not sure of it. Maybe next time we'll write to it. So here are the two beautiful people whom I met, and he'll introduce himself.
Yeah, my name is Sir Asik.
Okay, and
I'm Arshad.
okay, channel name?
R for ride.
Okay, cool.
சரி நல்லா புஷ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு சேனலை. அதுக்கப்புறம் தலைவன் வந்து நான் என்ன பைக்கை ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல இருந்து எந்த பைக்கால நான் இந்த வேலையை விட்டு வெளியே வந்தனோ அந்த பைக்கை ஓன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காரு. நான் சொன்னல நான் ஏன் வேலை விட்டு வந்தேன்னு அந்த ரீசன் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். லீவ் கிடைக்காது அந்த ஆனால் நான் பைக் ப்ரொடக்ஷனில் இருப்பேன். நான் எனக்கு ரைட் பண்ணணும் இதே மைண்டில் சுற்றிட்டு இருப்பேன். யோசிச்சு பாருங்களேன், நல்லா பசிக்கிறவன் கையில் பிரியாணி கொடுத்துட்டு நீ சாப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு சொன்ன அந்த பைக்கை பார்த்து நான் வந்து முடிச்சுட்டு வந்தேன் வேலையை. அவர் அந்த பைக்கு கொண்டு உன்னை அதில் தான் இப்போ ரைட் பண்ணிருக்காரு. அவரோட சேனல் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள், ஃபுல்லாக ரைடு வீடியோ எல்லாமே அதில் தான் ரிலேட்டடாக போட்டுருக்காரு. நான் சேனலோட லிங்க்கே கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் தரேன்.
And yeah, as I said, as he got introduced, so please do support. Ninga Tamil da work panningala fulla. So yeah, so he vlogs in Tamil, and obviously there are many people watching it. It's great, I believe. I'll to check out, and please do follow up, support as always, and keep supporting, guys. So we are currently going near to the dam, and I could see it in front of my eyes. It's seriously so calming and beautiful. Here's the view, guys. So we need to climb those stairs and then come up over here. It's seriously a great view, but it's very hot. Seriously, it's damn hot. And I guess there's a watchtower too over there, or a motor room. Seriously, it's damn beautiful over here. Maybe if it was not so sunny, it would have been great to be over here to just spend your time in the sunset. So whoever is nearby to Bangalore, it's a great spot. It's not known to many. So since my cousin came over here, I got to know about this place. It's called the KRP Dam. So do visit it.
Hey guys, I'm really sorry I didn't see that my camera option was in wide angle. I don't know like when did I change that option. I thought it was in super view, so I couldn't do anything. And now I have switched it to super wide, and hence you would be seeing a wide view over here. And now currently we are heading back from the dam to Bangalore, and that other rider is behind me. Is following up. He's also going to Bangalore, so we are moving forward. Hey guys, so we now had lunch over here. We are going to Bangalore. We had lunch in this biryani spot, but unfortunately the biryani was not nice, so I won't recommend this place. So from here I guess it is around 98 kilometers Bangalore, so we'll be riding towards Bangalore and maybe try to take a drone shot too. So now we had our lunch. I guess the time is currently 5 or 5:30 p.m. We'll be moving forward from here. See there, just look at the view right there, guys. It's so awesome. Seriously, just loving it. The sunset. The sunset view. Hey guys, here is an update. So the time is currently 7:28 p.m. and we are still near to Bangalore, in the entrance of Bangalore. So we just gave a small chai break over here. So from here I guess it will take around 1 hour or 40 minutes more to my home. Let's hope there is no much traffic ahead and start the ride. Hey guys, that's it for today. So I hope you loved my vlog. Keep supporting as always, and comment down below if you need any particular product review which I use. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. This is Sachin signing off as of now.